Jack Legs Diamond was a notorious figure during the Prohibition era in the United States. Born as John Thomas Diamond, he was also known as John Nolan and Gentleman Jack due to his relatively polite demeanor. His life was a tapestry of crime, courtship, and constant danger as he navigated the treacherous underworld of Philadelphia and New York City. Early life. Jack Diamond was born on July 10, 1897, who emigrated from Ireland to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. His early life was marked by poverty and struggle, leading him to a life of crime at a young age. As a teenager, he associated with various street gangs and eventually found his way into bootlegging and other illicit activities. Lifestyle. Diamond was known for his flashy lifestyle, often frequenting nightclubs and theaters in the company of attractive women. He was also known to dress sharply, earning him the nickname Legs due to his skill at evading his enemies. Bootleg wars. During the 1920s, Diamond became a prominent figure in the bootlegging industry, supplying alcohol to speakeasies and other establishments in both Philadelphia and New York City. This put him at odds with rival gangs, leading to violent clashes and power struggles for control of the lucrative trade. Trip to Europe. Seeking to escape the escalating violence in the United States, Diamond embarked on a trip to Europe in 1930. However, his criminal connections followed him, and he soon found himself embroiled in more trouble abroad. Assassination attempts. Throughout his criminal career, Diamond faced numerous assassination attempts, with rival gangsters and law enforcement alike seeking to eliminate him. Despite sustaining multiple gunshot wounds, he survived these attacks, leading to a belief in some quarters that he was, in fact, bulletproof. Prosecution. Despite his ability to evade capture for much of his criminal activities, the law eventually caught up with Diamond. In 1931, he was arrested and faced multiple charges, including bootlegging and parole violation. Death. On December 18, 1931, Jack Legs Diamond's luck finally ran out when he was shot and killed at the alleged order of his fellow gangsters. His death marked the end of a tumultuous and violent life, leaving behind a legacy of organized crime and controversy. Conclusion. Jack Legs Diamond's life and death personified the lawlessness and danger of the Prohibition era. His fearless and flamboyant approach to crime, along with numerous narrow escapes, made him a legendary figure in the annals of American gangster history. Despite his criminal exploits, Diamond's legacy continues to fascinate historians and crime enthusiasts to this day.